Hey, what's up, my Cardano holders? This is absolutely bad day for Cardano holders because this is the last 1 hour result. You can check here. This is live price prediction of Cardano. You check here, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you anytime, any hour. So this is last 1 hour result. You check here. The change of Cardano is minus 1.14%. That's absolutely bad. You can check here, but if we can check it out, the highest change of Cardano, this is absolutely good. You check here the 1.14 US dollar. This is absolutely good. I think this is a selling time, and this is selling time. This is one reason. Then 1 hour result is bad, but I think the 2 hour result is good. Let's check it out. Last 2 hour result. Okay, the last 2 hour results are absolutely very bad. You can check here. This is very bad. This is very bad change. Minus 2.17%. This is absolutely going bad. So what we can say that this is very bad result. But let's check it out. Last 4 hour result. I hope the last 4 hour result. Oh my goodness. Let's see that the last 4 hour results is also bad. So let's see the highest change of Cardano is my 1.17 US dollar. This is good. If we can see this last the chart of this Cardano coin, you check here. This time this going growing up, but if we can check it out, the last hours result, this is absolutely going down. So what we can say that I'm also Cardano holders. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you anytime. So thanks for watching, guys. This is just last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and last 4 hour latest price predication. I updating you anytime. Thanks for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.